Hydra's electrical control center. On the left, we have three power supplies. First, the ATX, which powers the motion controller and CAN bus. Next, we have the 24-volt power supply for the X, Y, and Z axes. And on the bottom, we have the 48-volt power supply for the three-phase spindle tool. Next, we have the drivers. At the top, we have the X, Y, and Z marked with red, yellow, and blue, respectively. Optionally below these, we might have the CO2 laser driver, the driver for the three-phase spindle tool, and the drivers for the A and B axes, marked in orange and purple, respectively. On the right here, we have a tall relay board. We use the top three relays. Mounted on this is a hotbed controller. The hotbed controller acts as a safety for these three motion controllers, the X, Y, and Z axis. If these two screws are not properly fastened and all the connectors properly seated, no power will go to the X, Y, and Z motors, and you will not have these green LEDs that show everything's good, or the red LEDs, which would show a problem, because they won't be powered up at all. Always ensure that everything here is connected tightly and seated properly. With version 4, if you need to update the hotbed controller firmware, you'll need to power down the printer, remove the hotbed controller, update it with the ST-Link, reinstall the controller, power up, and then update the settings through Repetrel. On the relay board, we use the top three relays. The top LED indicates that the hotbed is currently being heated. When we turn it off, you'll see the LED go off. The second LED indicates that the emergency stop is out and that the motors and the heating elements can all get power. And this third LED shows that the chamber heater is currently on. For any questions, please reach out to us, hyrel3d.com and hyrel3d.net.